This video covers questions 47 through 52 and deals with changing from radical to exponential form and back. So for question 47, it is already in exponential form, so we want to change it to radical form. Remember that the bottom number of the fraction is going to be the type of root, so it's going to be the third root. And the top number is going to be the exponents of each thing on the inside. So we're going to have 3 squared and x squared. So I can simplify that by saying 9 and x squared. And this would be radical form. For question 48, same thing. This number is going to be your cube, tell you it's the cubed root. And then this time it has an the top number is 1, so we don't have to worry about any exponents from there. However, we can simplify this radical by taking out what we can. X to the third, that's 3 groups, or that's 1 group of 3, so we can take out an x. We can take out a y, but it'll have 1 left on the inside. And then 5, we weren't able to deal with, so 5 stays on the inside, because 5 is prime. Change this whole thing to radical form. It's going to be the 4th root. So we have 3, a to the 5th, b to the 3rd, c to the 7th. We're looking for groups of 4 to take out. So 1a can come out. That 3 is nothing we can do with it, with 1a left over. B to the 3rd, there's not a group of 4 that can be made there. C to the 7th, we can have 1 group of 4, which would leave 3 left over. So this is a simplified version of that. This time we're going to change to exponential form. So you take what's on the inside, and that's going to be what ends up being in the inside of your parentheses. And then you write a fraction. So since this is the 4th root, it's going to be to the 4th power, or to over 4. And then since there's not an exponent that's same above all of them, it will just be to the 1/4. That would be the exponential form. Here, this is going to be our bottom number, and everything else will be in the inside. So this is all to the power of the 1/3. There's technically not a number here, so we assume that it's the square root, so we put a 2. So we're going to have x to the 5th, y to the 3rd, all to the 1/2 power.